YouTube channel. Today we have another video with my mom.
That's me. I'm Mom. And I also just noticed that I have a giant wet spot on my shirt from when you threw a water balloon at me. Look it.
Oh no.
Look it. There's a giant wet spot on my shirt.
So she is going to be making kinetic sand slime.
Slan slime?
Oh my gosh. I've been saying that a lot. So
Kinetic slan slime. That's what I'm doing.
we haven't opened this yet, so we're going to open it together before I start playing with slime.
Oh,
And if she needs any help, I'm going to help her.
This is what the box looks like.
So we have...
Don't lose my materials! Okay, I got it. Spit on me.
So we have a little cup. I'm assuming that's for activator.
This is sodium tetraborate liquid, whatever that is. Kinetic sand.
And then we got this weird looking spoon thingy.
This is dye.
We got this weird looking spoon thingy with a little hook. For
And then
some
this
reason.
is clear glue.
I think it's to hook her.
Ah!
Or
Not
poke
hook-
your mom.
You could poke me if you want, I guess.
Poke the blue spot on your face.
Thanks a lot. Okay,
And
and then there's
then-
this weird kid on the front. He's like putting it over his eye, and it's a little bit awkward. So,
That
this
is
is messy fun. Make your own
This is-
slime.
Wait, guys, this is clear glue.
I already showed that, but yes.
Oh.
Add the following to the mixing dish. 2 cups of clear glue, I guess. So
How do we
So
know
2
that?
of these.
Alright.
Filled all the way up to the tippy top.
I'm gonna help. Hey, we got two.
I'll BRB.
BRB.
BRB. Alright, you
BRB.
keep going.
Alright, so you said 2 cups of these. Okay, I guess we're gonna do it. Alright. 2 cups of clear glue. Guys, oh my god.
Okay, I'm back. What'd you do?
I poured the clear glue in for you.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. I love you. Have a good day at work.
Be careful driving. Get home safely. Blah, blah, blah.
Blah,
Love you.
blah, 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 blah. Love you.
Okay, ready? How many did you put in? 2? 2 cups?
2 cups of these, right?
Okay, now we need to put in 3 of these of water. So I'll BRB again.
BRB.
I'll BRB again, but you keep going. Which slime are you playing with?
I'm going to play with the butter slime.
Butter slime.
I'm about to lose control and I think I like it.
I'm so
Excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it.
How many of the cups of water do I need?
I forget.
You look at the instructions.
3.
3. Filled up to the tippy top?
3 cups.
Yeah. 1. Okay.
You guys dare me? You dare me?
2.
I did my foot all the way
Oh,
over.
I'm running with water and trying not to spill it. 2 and running.
Ah, she spilled it on me.
Sorry.
This smells like a birthday cake. My dad got this from the work.
3.
You're out of breath.
3. I am out of breath. And why does it look like that dish is like way more full than it's supposed to be? I don't think you're supposed to mix the glue and water with your with your finger. Okay, then it says to add 2 or 3 drops, refer to color guide.
Yes.
So do we want purple kinetic sand slime?
Yeah, let's do purple.
Purple, orange, green, blue, red, or green. Light green.
Let's
What do we want?
purple.
Purple, so we need 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue. That means 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue. Ready?
I want it to be extra pigmented, so let's do
Okay,
2 of
so
each.
2 drops of red and 2 drops of blue. Ready, set,
Oh, gosh.
go. Wait, what are you
You
doing?
have to like take the top off.
Oh, wait. Careful, careful, careful. Don't spill it everywhere. No. Hold on. It's like a little, please be, no. No, you gotta put the other cap back on. Otherwise you're gonna dump it. Twist it on. It's twisty. And try not to get food coloring all over you.
1,
2.
That
Okay.
looks weird.
And now do 2 drops of blue.
1.
Whoa!
That was like so many.
Yeah, because it was the cap
We
wasn't
should
on right.
like show them.
It's funny how the cap went on right for you, but not for me. No, it's okay. We'll show it after. You're gonna
Show
spill it. Okay, and then now it
Guys,
says.
look at my pinky.
Don't get any of that on the couch, please.
Look at my
Please
ring
don't
finger.
get any of that on the couch. Oh, I think I just got blue on my face. Mix it very slowly.
You don't.
What about now? Do I have it on my nose? On my nose?
No.
No? Okay. 2 spoons of slime solution, which is the sodium tetraborate liquid. Ready? Don't spill that, whatever you do, because it'll mess up the whole thing. Uh-oh. I need something sharp. I need something sharp!
Here. Oh, it's this. Use this.
Are you sure? Oh boy, you're spilling. Hold on. No, that's not sharp.
We're not
That's
spilling.
not sharp.
We're not spilling.
Yeah,
Where do you
we
see
are
spilling?
on the other side. Wow, I can't believe that actually worked, Ari.
This side?
Good job. Over there on the
Oh,
table.
over
See
there?
it? That's all right. I can't believe that actually worked because that wasn't even sharp. Okay, now we need 2 spoonfuls of this. So you're going to hold this over the bowl or whatever you call this thing. Ready? Hold it straight. No, I said hold it straight.
1.
Okay. Now we're going to stir slowly to allow the slime solution to mix with the glue solution about 3 to 4 minutes. Do you want me to do it or are you going to do it?
3 to 4 minutes. Oh gosh.
I need a rag though to clean up the... Look it. You can already see the slime forming. It's turning to jelly. That's crazy. Whoa, that's so cool.
And then we have this color of kinetic sand. It's gray. It's boring.
Yeah, but it's going to turn to the color that we made, which is supposed to be purple, but why does it look more red than anything?
That's okay. I think it's pretty.
It's probably because we put in more drops of red.
Lose control, and I
Crap.
think I like.
I think I need a
Rag.
rag.
Yeah, I'll go grab one.
Yeah, because it's getting all over.
BRB.
BRB.
Just
I'm
in case.
so excited.
Just in case you were wondering, that means be right back.
I think everybody knows what that means. Anybody that doesn't know what that means has been living under a rock. Let's be real. It's turning into jelly. It's turning into jelly. It's turning into jelly. Jelly, jelly, jelly.
Is it the kind of jelly you can
Not
eat?
the kind of jelly you can eat. Yikes.
I'm about to
I'll take
lose
that.
control. Wait, is it going to be
Excuse
ruined
me?
after you do it?
Yeah. Most likely. So go grab one you don't care about, I guess.
BRB. Again.
It's slowly turning into jelly. I don't know if I used enough of the slime liquid, though, because you spilled it before I could finish pouring it. You got one you don't care about? Minnie Mouse? Of course it's a Minnie Mouse rag.
I despise her.
You despise the Minnie
Pretend
Mouse.
this is her face.
That's how much she despises the Minnie Mouse. Whoa. Hey, make sure you don't mix the 2 slimes. You probably shouldn't have both of those out at the same time.
I do care.
Okay.
I do care.
That's going to be Daddy bothering me.
I know, because it's like 10,000 messages.
Yeah, because it's 2 messages in a row. Daddy's the only one that does that. Don't worry about it right now, honey. We're filming a video. Nobody cares about my text messages. Yep, it's Daddy. Told you. Told you so.
That just sounded like
This
a
really
wet
takes
fart.
3. This really takes 3 to 4 minutes. I mean, it seems like only the stuff in the middle is turning to. So it says stir slowly to allow the slime solution to mix with the glue solution for about. Oh, I'm stirring it with the wrong end. I'm supposed to be stirring it with this end. Oh man, now I got jelly on my fingers. Get off of me, jelly.
Can we watch YouTube while we're doing YouTube?
No. But if you want to stop the video, we can.
No. It's okay.
Good choice.
We'll stop it early.
Well, if we want to stop it early, we should stop it. Well, let's just try and finish this kinetic sand slime stuff. I think we need more.
Sodium sulfide.
I think we need more of the sodium tetra, whatever it's called.
The
The sodium tetra, whatever it's called.
Oh, good.
It's kind of weird because as soon as you pour in that sodium tetra, whatever it's called,
Bora
liquid,
fart.
it immediately starts turning to slime, sort of.
Yeah, Bora.
They don't give you a big enough bowl, and it's spilling everywhere, and it's really aggravating me.
Do you want to use a different bowl?
I wish I had, but it's a little late now.
You can just transfer.
It's alright, that'll just make an even bigger mess.
Lose control and I got
This
it.
isn't really working. This is like, it just turned like a big goop. Look at this. Ready? That's how much slime I got out of that, but there's still a bunch of liquid in the bowl.
You dare me?
It's like flubber. Oh, honey, you just took a shower. It's like Flubber. If anybody's ever seen the movie Flubber, they'll know what I'm talking about. Have you ever seen the movie Flubber?
Alright.
If not, you should watch it.
If you've seen the movie Flubber, you live under a rock.
It's about a guy that creates bouncy slime.
No.
And it comes to life and like tries to
can I
attack him
talk
or
to them?
something.
With my subscribers. If you watch Flubber, you live under a rock. You have nothing else better to do. You don't have a job and you're just an idiot.
Wow. I do have a job, so I don't know why you would say that. I am fully employed, thank you very much.
She works for my grandfather. She works for her
I
dad.
don't know why you had to whisper that. I work for a construction company. It doesn't matter who the person is that owns it.
Do I look like Bowser?
Yeah, a little bit. You look like the Bowser facelift episode. I meant to say level. Alright, now it's starting to turn to slime. Finally.
Can we stop the video in a minute?
No, I want to finish it on video. Otherwise, this will have all been for nothing.
Why do you want me to cry, cry, baby?
Look. It's finally turning into slime. Now what do?
I want you
When
to
the
cry.
slime starts to thicken, pick it up and squish it together with your hands for a minute. For best results, let it sit in the mixing dish for a half an hour. Slime should then be clear and bubble free. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Oh, it's so sticky. Can I pick up all this stuff off my table with the slime? No, that's not working.
Mama, show your hand.
Look at this. Look.
Show
This is
your
the worst
hand,
slime
and
I've
then
ever
I'll show
made.
my hand.
How is this slime?
Alright, so get that off your hands.
I wish I could.
Just show this hand.
It's literally stuck to me like glue.
Alright, show my hand and we'll show your hand.
Yeah, yours are clean and mine are filthy. Grizzly! No! I know what you're doing. You're eating cat food. I will kick your butt. Don't even think about it, Grizzly. Don't even stinking think about it, you little bum. Knock it off.
Oh, gosh.
Knock it off. Great, now the cats are going to have slime on their food dish. Thanks a lot, Grizzly. Thanks for making me do that, buddy. Appreciate it. I'll feed you in a minute. I don't know why you can't wait a second. What is this? It's stuck to me. Alright, my slime is ready. I think, but I'm not sure. It is really sticky, and it's really rippy, and it's really icky and yucky and bad.
And it turned out
Now
right.
you need to add in 2 spoons of kinetic sand. If slime is runny once mixed together, add small amounts of slime solution until you're happy with your sand slime. I would say that this sand slime is a complete failure. That's what I would say.
Mama,
Can you open that or no?
Am I going to have YouTube time?
Yeah, can you open that or no? Let's
This?
finish this. No, this. Can you open this for me or no?
Oh, sorry.
This slime is terrible, and it's stuck to me, and it won't come off. This is
BRB! BRB!
terrible
BRB.
idea.
Be right back. Be right back.
Oh
be
my
right
god, this is awful. This is the worst slime I've ever made. I'm not bad at making slime, but this slime is just the worst. This is just the worst.
Yes, she is.
No, I'm not. I'm really not.
Hear that?
Because I'm mom, and I have super hearing powers.
Alright, I got the scissors so I could do this.
No, you got the scissors so you could open my kinetic sandbag. Honey, can we finish this? I know you want to watch YouTube.
It's open.
Okay,
Oh,
now
no,
give
no,
me...
it's not.
Wait, don't spill it, though. And then you got to give me 2 spoonfuls of kinetic sand.
Jeez, okay. I'm just
Please and thank you.
thing.
So we can try and get this stuff working. But it's like really stuck to me. It's like really, really stuck to me. I mean, this is like bad. No, you go on the inside of the scissors. You don't want to do it towards the end. It's hard. I wish I had hands so I could do it for you, but I can't because my hands are covered in slime. Just don't rip it really quickly because it'll go flying. All right, now give me 2 spoonfuls of kinetic sand into my slime, and I'll see if I can fix it really quick. And then you can watch YouTube. You can probably just throw it in my dish. I don't know that you need to, like, go through the trouble of measuring it. Yeah, that's good. One more, please. Perfect. Throw it in my dish, please.
I'm making sure it's already not.
It's okay if it's not. Perfect. Thank you.
I was making ice cream so good.
Okay, now off I go to make my sand slime. Here I go. See if this works or if it's a disaster. Did you just hit yourself in the face with that?
Yes.
Let's see if this works or if it's an epic failure, guys. I'm pretty sure it's an epic failure.
I'm about to lose control.
I think I was too impatient and I added too much of that sodium, whatever it's called, tetraborate liquid. So now my slime is really bad.
I'm about to play with Shirley Temple Swirl Slime, and I think I like it.
I do not recommend buying this kinetic sand slime set. I don't know that it's really...
Kinetic Sandy.
I might take that back in a minute, depending on how it... I wouldn't touch it. You're going to get covered in slime. Look at my hands.
Wait, let me try.
Yeah. I don't like this.
Here,
I don't like this. Ari,
Let me try. I'm trying.
honey. You're gonna end up with it everywhere, I'm telling you. Unless maybe it was just me because I'm the one that mixed it and stuff. Hold on, there's more slime that's on my hands that needs to be mixed in with the slime that was stuck to my hands needs to be mixed in. Are you trying to show that I'm covered in slime and you're not? But guess what? You are too.
That was just on my arm.
Here, you gotta mix this in too. It's like really stuck to me, like it doesn't want to come out. Okay, you gotta add more kinetic sand though, because that's not enough. You have a little bit in between your fingers. Okay, ready? Mix that in for me. That'd be lovely. Thank you very much. Until you get the right... Don't spill it everywhere. You're dropping it. I'm trying to keep you from dropping it on your pajamas and on the couch.
Oh gosh, that is hard.
See? Told you. It's a mess.
I got the little, like...
The little cat thing. From the killer what? Somehow you got the jelly slime in your strawberry, whatever you call it, the dope slime. Oh my god, this made a huge mess. Well, if you do this, I definitely recommend you cover your area that you're working on first.
And
sure.
do it naked.
What? Definitely. Well, you know what? Actually, that's not a bad idea. Because this stuff is going to get everywhere.
Don't even waste your time
everywhere.
Putting on your underwear.
Just don't even waste your time.
In the morning, just go to get coffee naked.
Oh my god.
With no underwear.
Oh my god. I don't know that I condone being naked, but, you know, I'm not saying it's a bad idea. How'd it come out? Is it an epic failure?
Let's show my hand and let's show your hand.
My hands are covered. What about yours? No?
That's the only spot.
Okay, well, this was our kinetic sand slime making epic failure. I don't know that I recommend this set, but maybe next time it'll be better. I think it's just because I didn't follow the instructions correctly. So,
oh gosh,
I'm pretty sure that was my fault. Anyways, Ari, tell them your whole spiel so we can watch
Do
YouTube.
it with me.
Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure. Go ahead. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Make sure.
No, don't forget to
Don't forget to like and subscribe and
hit that notification bell.
Button. I said button, you said bell, but that's okay.
It's called the bell.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Peace out, Cub
You
Scout.
love it.